to drive something.
Temperature!
Man, I want to drive something. Devin's about to let me drive the Bronco after that. No, he said I'm not doing it. I already got next. How much you want to pay? You've already driven those.
God damn it. Fucking camera.
Don't get the rear end towards us. I already killed someone driving on the
And that is, and John duck your head, that was Krista Gerard's driving there. Yes, yes. Alrighty.
She was as good as my mom trying to drive. And I wanted to.
Alrighty. Who we got coming out of here? Yes. Who do we have driving? Was that Mama driving?
Yeah, that was Christina.
Was that Christina driving there? Yes. Alright.
Hey,
Did you get good film on that?
I did, but you almost plastered this camera with mud. I was about to have to. I was about to. Well, I caught. Look at this. Caught right here, but missed my camera. I was about to have.